How to replace the UV lamp on a Honeywell thermostat.
Just to clarify, do you think this is a larger HVAC problem, or something specific to the thermostat?
It is indicating on the thermostat to change filter and UV lamp.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
It turned off the air condition unit.
Hello. Do you know if you have a UV light? If so, the bulb is in a device that is normally mounted to the ductwork down by the furnace and has 120 volts power run to it. The Honeywell stat only has a timer in it that goes off on a preset determination when a client would want to change the bulb. Some people like to change them yearly. They last 2 to 5 years and are pricey. The UV bulb issue shouldn't be causing your AC not to work though, no sensor going to that stat. The filter might cause it not to work though. However, that is also just a timer on most Honeywell thermostats set by the owner to a time frame. I would check the filter if you haven't changed it in a while. But the thermostat shouldn't be turning it off. Again, no real sensor going to that stat, just a timer. You can reset the thermostat by turning power on and off in the furnace or circuit breaker. Or you may have to remove that stat and remove the batteries if it has batteries in it. Removal of the batteries is the only way to reset if it has them in it. Hope all that info helps. I got called into work for a bit. We'll check back soon.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.